Welcome to Mindfulness with Miss B, where kids learn all about social emotional wellness. Hello. We're going to begin our meditation today by breathing deeply and comfortably. Notice how your chest and belly move as you begin to take calming, deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just listen as the air moves in and out, breathing in and out. Your breath is a quiet and beautiful sound. Now imagine transporting yourself magically to your favorite spot on a beach. You can choose your favorite beach, or if you've never been to a beach, just imagine what you think it would look like. Picture yourself there now. The sun shines brightly and gently warms your skin. It's as if the sun is reaching down and pouring its love on you. So warm and so nice. Now you'll slowly walk down towards the surf until you feel the lapping of the warm waves against your toes. Dig your toes deeply into the welcoming wet sand. Feel the rhythm of the calm waves flow over the sand. It relaxes you. Notice how your breathing remains very calm and even. Inhaling, breathing in, and exhaling, breathing out slowly and calmly. Paying attention now, you slow down your breathing even further and allow your muscles to relax. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Your body is now relaxed. Your mind is relaxed too. You can empty your mind of all worries or thoughts that have been bothering you. Just enjoy this moment you have now. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now you're feeling energized and peaceful, ready for a great day.